It's coming up to sunset on day 3 and we're back at the Wick, which seems to be the busiest time for puffins, and you can see this whole bank is covered in puffins coming home. This is when it starts to really get like Love Island, because you can start seeing the puffins pairing up with their partners. And one of the things I learned is that puffins stay with their partners, the same partner, for life. So they will go off after their chicks have fled, the pufflings have fledged the nest, and they go off and do their own thing for about 9 months of the year, and then they come back to the same burrow and the same partner every single year. And I'm going to try and see if I can find some doing a really cute little clicky beak thing that they do, which I think is a sign of love.